Well, good morning. I am soaking up my last few hours of relaxation and sun and surf before we head out. This resort is really cool because you have to check out at 11, but you have access to the resort the entire day. So even if your flight's later in the day, they'll hold your bags for you. You continue to use all the resort facilities, including, the food privileges as well, alcohol, everything like that. So even though you're technically checked out, you can continue to use the services for the full day, which is really cool. But our flight's not till 7, so we don't have to leave until about 4:30. So I'm living it up on the beach here and just enjoying every last moment. My husband's off doing archery. That's one of his new favorite sports. I feel like archery lessons are in our future for him. But we've thoroughly enjoyed our stay here. Everything's been amazing. I will do a full report and review, breaking it down for you, but I hope you've enjoyed this series and continue to watch my channel and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and also check out my blog at travelandcheesehead.com for more insight and story behind the story of all these great travel videos you've been watching. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the Traveling Cheesehead. Okay, so we are about to take off.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome aboard Flight 4174. Service over to Miami. Looking at a quick wheels up to wheels downtown.
Recording
just,
really
30
fast here
minutes.
before we take
We
off.
just came from over there, taking off
But I
out
have
of
a
here.
stranger next to me, so I am whispering in my microphone.
Closer to Miami. There'll be a few bumps here and there as the storms dissipate.
It's a really,
Besides that, we don't
really
expect any
quick flight,
delays.
20
We'll keep you
minutes,
updated. Thanks for
and
joining
we'll
us.
be in Miami. So say goodbye to Grand Bahama Island. Say goodbye to Grand Bahama Island.